Put it into second, let it kick in, and we'll try to see if it'll go a little bit. Ready? Shifted a couple times, slow her down. I think we're going 60. We're going like way faster than that. But anyways, that was like 3/4 throttle. That wasn't even pulling. Man, that was fun. That was fun. We need to do more. I'm tempted to show you guys what's in here, but it's not open yet. I'm just gonna have to wait for Tori so I don't mess it up. Better stick around to the channel. Today we'll do this instead. Yay! What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for being here, and thank you to 4,000 subscribers. This is absolutely incredible. Tori's on a pharmacy convention down in Nashville, probably with some of you, so hope you guys are having a great time and looking forward to that exciting content when she gets back. For today, we did start to film a couple videos before she left. We didn't get a chance to finish them, so I'm out hot rodding. I figured it'd be only right if I took you guys through the car a little bit. We kind of introduced you to it, but we haven't said much about it, so I'm gonna go through my initial reactions to the car, and then when Tori gets back, we'll get right back into the other stuff that you guys subscribe for. So please don't dislike this or leave the channel just because I'm with you today, but we enjoy the car scene quite a bit too, so we can't wait to get more involved with that this year. So I'm gonna take you through the video, and again, Tori will be back shortly, so stay tuned. Well, here we are out cruising. I figured I would just update you guys with some of the initial likes and dislikes on this car after having it now for a couple weeks and really only driving it a handful of times. We haven't had much time to get out here, so every minute we can get in the car is a lot of fun, and it's just an absolute riot. So I'm just gonna ramble on a bit here about what some of the likes and dislikes of the car initially. And so yeah, here we go. I would say one of the first things that's definitely the most appealing is the price range. You can't find a better car for 30K in my opinion. This car is absolutely iconic. The C6 is just an amazing car. It's really got that supercar presence. It's super low to the ground. I couldn't believe it actually. I don't even know how people lower this car because it already sits so low, but yeah, it looks really cool. It's really sleek, and it definitely has that presence when it's pulling up to you in the front end. I mean, it's just great. Aside from that, I would say driving it's fun. I kind of was looking for a manual, but there wasn't much out there, but I'm fairly impressed with the paddle shifting. Mainly I say that because it's a lot of fun to shift with a paddle shift, believe it or not. The only thing, I wish it was more responsive. There is a slight delay when you go to shift gears, and then it's not the traditional left for down, right for up. It's push pull, which is kind of weird. I've accidentally shifted the wrong way several times now, getting used to that. But yeah, so the paddle shift, also a blessing and a curse. I like the nav screen. It's pretty cool. It doesn't serve any real purpose other than looking cool because it's super out of date for an 09. The space, the seats are really comfortable. This is a 1LT, so you don't have anything crazy. Base model Corvette, but still, I know they call it the plastic fantastic, but I think it's pretty fantastic, honestly. And nice little carbon fiber accent piece there, not bad at all. I do like here where you can see exactly what gear you're in when you're cruising. That's a lot of fun. I know you guys are gonna wanna see this thing pull, but bear with me here. Oh, the steering. The steering is ridiculously stiff. It is so fun. It just hugs the corners. You know, the Duramax is way newer, and that thing is junk compared to this thing's steering. This thing's incredible. So yes, thumbs up on the steering. Way to go. Loving it. The audio, I'm sure this thing is stock. The sound system is not good at all. Definitely needs updated. We did get this little Bluetooth transmitter because we don't have CDs. I don't know who has CDs anymore. Watch this downshift here. Just wait till we get an exhaust on this thing. That's another dislike. It's so quiet, and yeah, that's not a lot of fun at all. But we'll get an exhaust on there. We'll make it sound right like a Corvette's supposed to. But here we go. This is kind of nice. Drive one-handed and still shift. So I'll push it. That'll shift the gear right there. So that's pretty cool. I'll get some outside shots too because the appearance of this car is awesome, especially with the window tint. But yeah, we're just cruising right now. This thing is just gliding down the street, as you can tell. I like the window tint. I'm glad it already came tinted so I don't have to do that. But it is low. The ceiling's low, and there's a ton of blind spots in this car. Again, I'm used to a big truck, so that's not saying a whole heck of a lot, but yeah, this is the interior, and this is what it looks like cruising, having an absolute blast. Gas mileage, I think the tank runs out fairly quick, and maybe that's just my driving style, but we don't care about gas at all. That's not something you care about when you buy a Corvette. You bought it to go, and you bought it to go fast, so forget the gas, hit the gas, or whatever you want to say. Also the LS3, that's important. That's why I got this year specifically, had to be the LS3. 430 horse, plenty of power, especially when you get over like $4 grand. You can really start to feel the car do what it's supposed to do and just gallop. I mean, it gets up to speed quick, but yep, here's a corner. We'll take it kind of easy, downshift into third, hug. Man, it just hugs, guys. This thing's incredible. What a fun drive. I don't know how many of you have driven these cars before or looking at getting one, but hopefully you guys do, because this thing's absolutely insane. It's so fun. It really feels like a supercar for 30 grand. It's like unbelievable. This thing's so cool. Yeah. I'm trying to think about what else here. The wheels are okay. They're 19s in the back, 18s in the front. I think there's some different tire setups. I'm not exactly sure. I haven't even had time to check all that out. But again, the stance, that's good with the 19s in the back, 18s in the front. I'm not sure if they'll stay or not. They are the factory chrome, and they got plenty of shine to them. Guys, overall, I know I'm kind of spitting hit or miss there, but I've been working a crap ton. We both have, and trying to get content. I know you guys are asking a lot of questions about this, but feel free to stay tuned, because we're going to have plenty more of these videos coming up with the car. You'll see it from time to time, but we won't bog down the channel either, because we know the theme of the channel is something quite different than this. But this is the car stuff, guys. Enjoy this, and we'll see you soon. And just like that, you have it. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, because we got plenty more content coming, especially Tori when she gets back. Thanks again to all you guys. We appreciate you deeply. Hope you guys have an absolute amazing day, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks. Bye.